How long the filters last? Filters last between 9 to 12 months, and usually it's after 3,000 liters that they need to be replaced. Usually this light will come on, so that will be indication that they need to be replaced. Replacing the filters, you can purchase them on our website, and replacing the filters is very simple. Just simply on this side you open this little side door, then pull the filter out, twist it and pull it out. Very simple. The same thing, twist it back in and put it back in. After you replace the filters, you want to make sure that you will reset this button, because then machine is going to start counting the number of liters that is flowing through the machine. Every 3,000 liters, filters need to be replaced. So just hold it, tap it and hold it. And that's it. On this side you have an air filter. This air filter, I usually clean it with a toothbrush once a while, let's say every month. Just pull it out and just brush it without the water. Just brush it a little bit and clean it up from the dust. It will make the filter live longer. And basically that's it.
Solaris Water Gen, pure water, pure life.